Hi, are you struggling to study? Are you struggling to reduce your weight? Are you struggling to reunite with your loved ones? Are you struggling to improve in your career? Are you struggling to get out of addiction? Or are you struggling to improve your financial status? Watch this video because I'm going to share many secrets which is stopping us to reach our goals. There are many stumbling blocks. I'm going to share what are the stumbling blocks, and by removing those stumbling blocks, how you can reach your goals much faster. Hi, today's topic is again a series on the secret formula to manifest anything using law of attraction. This is again a series which I started on mastering law of attraction part 13. And before going to this topic, if you're new to my YouTube channel, press the subscribe button and also press the bell symbol so that you get constant updates. Click the link below or for other social media platforms so that you can be in touch with me. So today's topic is change your pattern, change your life. What is this pattern? Do you know we have been conditioned from the day one, from our childhood days till date? It's a positive conditioning as well as a negative conditioning. So there are some patterns. Our mind always looks for shortcut because we have been trained. Okay, they say it takes 21 days to form a new habit. So anything you do repeatedly for 21 days becomes a habit. In fact, I remember getting up at 4:15 was not easy for me in the initial days. But today, even on a Sunday, I get up at 4:15 because it's conditioned. Just to talk about the habit or the conditioning, I'll just give a simple layman language. Do you remember the first day of your car driving or the bike driving? Okay, the initial days of your car driving or bike driving, you have to change your gear, and every time when you change your gear, okay, you have to press the clutch and again increase the speed. So there's a process. Okay, so your left leg, your right leg, your hand, all three has to move, and maybe the bike also same way. Okay, the car also same way. But over a period of time, today, you don't do that. It comes automatic. Earlier, you were very cautious to move the gear, but today, it comes naturally. Correct? Or it says, it comes automatic. Similarly, for those people actually working on the computer keyboard, okay, you are very fast on a computer keyboard, but do you know where exactly the keys are? Sometimes it will be very hard for us to remember where are the keys. But the moment you sit on the keyboard, your fingers knows where are the keys. Correct? This is called positive conditioning. Similarly, there are some negative conditioning which are deep registered and it is very difficult for us to come out of it. So let us understand how the mind works or how we get conditioned. So the process is like this. First comes programming. So what you keep programming in your mind, okay, becomes the thoughts. From the thoughts it becomes the words. Okay, from the words it becomes action. From action it becomes a habit, and from habit, whether it's good or bad, okay, it's negative or positive, the result, okay, then you vibrate at that particular frequency. There's a vibration. As per the result, there's energy, okay, and as that energy, if you're vibrating positive, you attract more positive, and if you're vibrating negative, you attract more negative. So first comes the programming. So when I say programming, what are you programming? What are you feeding in your mind? Like how you feed into your computer. We all might have heard this, no? Garbage in, garbage out about a computer. Similarly, what are you feeding in your mind is what your output is also. So if you really want to change your output, if you really want to change your result, you need to be very careful in what are you feeding. In fact, we have been carried away by the media and by some movies, by some cine stars, by some cricket stars, some sports stars. We accept them as our mentors or gurus. Nothing wrong in that, provided if you have a plan to go into that particular field. Or else what actually happens is you accept them blindly, and because of which you are attracting that energy also, and you are bound to face a lot of challenges because whatever they act in the movie is not what the real life is. So there's a huge difference. And because of which actually what happens is you're feeding a negative thought, you're feeding in some negative programs in your mind, and your output is going to be negative. So I always keep saying people is be cautious in what are you feeding in. Be cautious, be careful. Don't believe anybody blindly. And there are some, I'm sorry to say, there are some gurus, so-called gurus, mentors, preachers, okay, spiritual gurus. So sometimes we follow them blindly, just accept whatever they say. Or some people go onto the Google and blindly believe whatever the Google says. Double check, cross check. In fact, I always keep saying, don't believe me also. In fact, I always keep saying, go and listen to the testimonies of what people have said about me. If you like it, then call me, then follow me. Because it's very easy to preach. Very easy to preach. As I keep saying, I don't preach, I always coach. Okay, there's a huge difference in what I do. Recently, somebody called me and said he lost 6 lakhs with one of his friend by pledging his wife's jewels, because somebody said there's a business opportunity and invested in the business. Later on only he came to know that this is a fraud company. Okay, and he called me and he requested me, can I do anything on that? Okay, I just gave him some suggestions. Why I want to share here is because this video is already out. This video is already there. How to find out fake network marketing companies. But still, this person became a victim. So my humble request is, please share this video so that at least some people can benefit out of this. So the programming happens at the deeper level from the childhood days. And as I keep saying, some are positive, some are negative. We don't know what is positive and what is negative. And we just accept it blindly. Let me just go one by one. Okay, let us take an example of a student. In fact, I counsel many students. Okay, I brought them out of all the mental blocks like memory power problem, concentration problem, liking or disliking of disliking of any subjects. So what actually happens is, okay, something is deeper registered in the subconscious mind. Any amount of talking to them, any amount of advice any amount of advice to them will not work. Why? Because it is deeper registered in the subconscious mind. Let me give a testimony. In fact, I remember many years before, a person came to me. His name is Karthik. He came to me along with his mother, and they said he was a topper till 10th standard, and after 10th standard he joined some IIT coaching center, where he found all the toppers were there in that coaching center, and suddenly he had a small doubt, okay, where I'll be, okay, among these toppers where I'll be. So a small kind of doubt about himself, which put him down. And slowly he went into medications. He started having severe health issues, headaches. They did a lot of MRI scans, and almost after 2 years, somebody spoke about me, and they met me in my office. And when I was speaking to this guy, so I asked him, what are your challenges? Then he said, somewhere I can see some bulging on my neck. I can feel some bulging on my neck and the left side, and the entire left side is numb. Okay, I'm not able to lift my left hand, left leg, and I have a lot of problems in my studies. I'm not able to concentrate. I'm not able to focus. All this he said. Okay, so I try to work with him, try to find out where is the root cause, what it started, how it started. What I found out was the basic comparison, what he had in his mind, comparing himself with his friends and saying that, okay, I think they are better than me, or they have got that skill, they have got this skill, and somewhere I'm lagging. Some kind of comparison, which resulted in a negative thought. As I keep saying, from programming to the habits to the result, when it becomes negative, you become more negative. Okay, and over a period of time, that became a pattern for him. That became a pattern. I tried to find out the root cause. That's a time which I take, maximum of 2 hours. And last 15 minutes, I asked him to close his eyes and reprogram at the root level. Okay, reprogram complete at the root level, and asked him to open his eyes at the end of the program. During that time, I asked him, okay, when he opened his eyes, I asked him, do you feel anything on your neck? Initially, he said there was something bulging there. Okay, then he said, I don't see anything now. Everything has disappeared. And I asked about the left side. He said, everything is gone. And he was shocked. When his mother saw him, she was amazed to say, this was the same guy 2 years before. And I could see a lot of change in him. I gave my audio tracks to him and asked him to listen on a regular basis, the morning and evening. Okay, just 15 minutes, which I asked him to do. And within 4 days, he came to me literally in tears and said, I can't believe how much I've changed. And I can see that I'm a topper and I'll be a topper for the rest of my life. I was very happy for that. So what I'm trying to share, so we try to reprogram at the root level. Okay, I don't teach any techniques. Okay, on memory power or concentration, which many people do. Okay, I reprogram there. Click on the testimonies to know more about what we do. The next one is on health. When you're talking about health, first thing comes in my mind is weight loss. Because many people have this issue of trying to reduce the weight. And very recently, one of my friend came to my house, and I offered him some sweets. He said, no, I don't want to eat sweet because I'm trying to reduce my weight and I'm finding it difficult to reduce my weight, so I don't eat sweets. I was literally laughing at him and asked him, okay, why so much of hatred towards sweets? Then he said, no, you don't understand. I'm put on weight and I'm trying to reduce weight. And what I saw was he was having a smartwatch, okay, and he was continuously monitoring his heart rate, his BP. I mean, I don't know what and all they monitor in the smartwatch, okay, which I don't like. I don't monitor anything. And some people are very cautious to monitor the weights every day, okay. They go and check, go on the weighing machine every single day, okay. Then I was just telling him about me. I said, 5 months before, in fact, before the lockdown, my weight was 87.5 kg, okay. And during the lockdown, it was since the gym was locked, okay, I couldn't work out much, but still I was just doing some physical exercise at home. Hardly some 5-10 minutes or maximum 15 minutes I used to do. Where I used to, in the gym I used to do so 1.5 hours I used to work out. But surprisingly, when I went to the gym, okay, just 15 days before, my weight was same 87.5 kg. No increase. In fact, I'm always proud to say to people is my shoulder size is 42 and my hip size is 32. In fact, sometimes it has tried to go out, okay, but I will always try to fit in my tummy and say, no, you can only be 32. You can't move more than 32. 32, 33, not more than that. Why? Because I have trained in my mind, okay. So nothing to do with my food, okay, or nothing to do with anything else. It's purely your mind. So this is where we try to reprogram people. In fact, one more testimony which I want to share. A person came to me many years before. Actually, he came for some other issues. In fact, he said, I want to be a singer, I want to, a performer, I want to go on the stage and sing, but every time I actually hold a mic, I go blank. I forget all the lyrics. I said, okay, fine, let us work out on it. And I started again going to the root, when it started, how it started, what are the things deeper registered in my mind. And just before starting the session, I asked him, do you have any other challenges? For which he said, I have a breathing problem, I have asthma problem. Fine. So we started the program, and again, I removed all the blocks from his mind. After 8 days, he called me and said, can I come and meet you again? I said, fine. When he came and met me, he said, after the session, when I left the place, okay, I felt something different. Okay, my breathing pattern was different, everything was different. And the next day, normally I would do my pujas, and because of the agarbatti smoke, okay, I used to sneeze, and that day I didn't sneeze. And I went for a jogging. It's in Bangalore, so Bangalore weather, morning weather will be very chill. So when he goes for a jogging, he used to sneeze. He never sneezed that day. Later on, he had dust allergy, so he cleaned his entire house, but no allergy. So he tried everything for 8 days because he couldn't believe, because this was a problem for 48 years. 48 years problem solved in just one sitting. He couldn't believe it. And he came and gave me a testimony also. In fact, even that testimony along with this photograph is available on my website. You can just go and click on it. There are some other kind of issues also, where people come to me with psychological issues. Okay, as I keep saying again and again, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a psychiatrist, I'm not a psychologist also. Okay, I work purely on the mind, and my core area is business coaching. But just two people come with business people who come with some issues, I handle that also. So that's how I started working on these areas. Some people have this OCD or bipolar disorder. All the psychology issues, as I keep saying, we go to the root level to find out where is the root cause, what is the root cause, why they are not able to. So there's a pattern which we need to reprogram. When we do that, things are changing. Okay, as I keep saying, you need not to come and meet me. Okay, this program is completely online. You can be any part of the world, and still we are there, and we get the same results. Click on the testimonies to listen more about in what way people's lives have been transformed all over the world. Next comes relationship. In fact, today we see in the media, we hear from so many people from the news channels, there are many broken relationships. Again, my beauty is I deal with one person. With one person, I can reprogram the other person. Okay. So one more testimony which I want to share here, because one testimony which I want to share here is, I remember actually, again, a lady called me from Pune and said that she's been married for 12 years and it was a love marriage. After 12 years, her husband left her and ran away with another lady. And she couldn't face the world because it's a love marriage and the parents were against her. And the parents were asking, like, it was your choice, so they can't do anything. So she was almost on the verge of committing suicide. And that's the time she gave me a call and she asked me in what way I can help her. And I took the session and I said, very shortly, your husband will come back home. For which she was not agreeing, and she said, no, I don't think he can come back. I'm just trying to pacify myself so that I can lead a life, normal life, because I got a 10-year-old daughter also. And I want to live a life, okay? But I don't believe that this guy will come. But I just programmed and said, believe me, everything will change. I'm getting it short. Within 45 days, her husband came back and asked for forgiveness and said, I'm sorry for all the mistakes, please forgive me. And she called me and said, I can't believe what you've done in my life. As I keep saying, there are many testimonies on broken relationship which I have got. It could be a relationship between husband and wife. It could be a relationship between mother-in-laws. Okay, it could be a relationship with anyone. Okay, any kind of relationship issue. And the beauty is we handle through one person. Okay, I don't want both the parties. Okay, as I keep saying, I don't advise, I don't lecture. Okay, we reprogram at the root level. Okay, and when that does, things start to change. Career. This is very interesting for me because this is my area as a business coach. Okay, I always say this. Many people are strong technical on the technical area. Okay, when you want to climb the ladder in the organization, okay, you need to have more leadership skills, communication skills, management skills, which nobody's trained on. Okay, so this is the problem. And second thing is, for some reason or other, they had some conflict. Okay, somebody insulted them, the seniors insulted them, and they have a doubt about themselves. They have a lot of they have a low self-esteem, and for which they are not able to progress in the career, and they are not able to get the promotion. They are not able to get a salary hike. Many people's lives have been transformed. Okay, again, as I keep saying, we work on the root level, and very short period of time. In fact, I can say less than 30 days or less than 2 months. Okay, they got a promotion, they got a salary hike, or maybe a new job. Everything started to change because I keep saying everything is deeper registered in your subconscious mind. Another one very important is addiction. Particularly today, I can see the younger generations are addicted more into all this, like pornography, drugs, drinking habit, smoking habit, or other kind of bad habits. Okay, gay relationship. And many people have actually approached me and they said, okay, we have tried many times. We went to some de-addiction centers, but we are not able to come out of it. Many people have asked me if I'm running any de-addiction center. In fact, I say I want a person only for one sitting. Okay, one sitting, and maximum is just 2 hours. And what I do is I go to the root level, reprogram it, and change it completely. And I can challenge on that and say, the same person who was into that kind of bad habits, let us take an example of drinking or smoking, okay, the same day or within 2-3 days, maximum 2-3 days or less than 1 week, the same person feels vomiting when he wants to do that, okay, when he wants to drink or smoke or anything like that. And they say, like, we don't know how I was doing all that, okay, and immediate changes, and the changes actually happen immediately. And again, as I keep saying, click on the link, the testimonies, to know more about me. The next one, the last one. Everybody wants to improve their financial status. But what actually happens, as I keep saying, money is a mindset. Okay, it's a mindset. So until unless you don't change your mindset, you can't attract the money. I always keep saying this. You are the result of your energy. So whatever energy you are, that is what you're going to attract. So for that, you need to improve your value. You need to increase your value in your mind. Okay, until unless you don't improve your value in your mind, you can't earn that kind of money in your life. So this is where what we do is we try to reprogram at the root level about the money idea. Okay, in the root level. In fact, I've taken many businesses to more than 1000% growth in a very short period of time by changing their mindset, by changing the energy. This is not that easy to do on your own. Okay, you can try it, but I'm sorry to say that because this is deeper registered in your subconscious mind. And as I keep saying, if you're serious to make a difference in your life, and if you're stuck somewhere, and if you know anybody who's stuck and they are not able to come out of it, my numbers are flashing here. Please do call me and I'll be there to help you out. And again, as I keep saying, this is only a 15 minutes program. Okay, my specialty is a 15 minutes program which I do on the mind. And that particular audio I record it and I give us as an audio track which I ask them to listen on a daily basis, and along with that I give some general tracks. So what actually happens, a person has to listen to minimum of half an hour, at least 15 minutes in the morning, 15 minutes in the evening, minimum of half an hour every single day. This is a mental exercise. So when I say mental exercise, you have to listen continuously for lifetime. Okay, when you do that, you keep progressing in every area of your life. This is not pertaining to one particular area. In every area of your life, you will see the change. If you need my help, please do call me and I'll be there to help you out. Again, as I keep saying, please share this video to as many people as you can so that many people will be benefited out of it and we can save more lives. Again, Wilfred Stanley signing off from Rapid Mind Power. Bye. Thank you. Have a great day.